my vibrant teachers, thus who played the wonderful stalls in the different places, my lovely, cute, smart kids, those who performed very well in their innovative ideas and their activities was really superb. I know you all enjoyed much. I also thank to one guy, his name is Mr. Rohit Kumar, who is in charge of dance, and all students are in the standing position of the dancing too after inaugurating this function. So Rohit is ready. So I congratulate to you in the last program also, and this program your team is ready. Hope that. So I wish to greet to you in behalf of the Black family. Now, one my close friend, when I started the program, that was the set the goal, get the goal in the town hall where the 7,000 people gathered there. This was a very nice program. At that moment, my one friend helped me very much. His name is Mr. Azmi. So I greet to Azmi Chef in behalf of the Black family too. The rest, my media persons who just received my message and reached here on the time. So my thanks to you, and I wish to greet to all of you. Thank you. Now it is the time to start our inaugural part. So I wish to greet to our first persons among the guests, Mr. Prakash Asthana, please come. Dr. Atul sir, please come. And Engineer Ajay Azad. I humbly request to you, please come. Welcome to you.
Actually, when we eat food, when we consume, then it goes to our mouth and we chew it with the help of our teeth. Then the tongue gets its taste. After that, it passes through this part which is called esophagus. After this part, it goes to our stomach, which breaks down our food into small parts. From this, it goes to large intestine, which absorbs salt and water from this part and also some nutrients. After this, it goes to small intestine and it also absorbs the extra minerals or vitamins which we need in the food. After that, the waste material of food is converted into excreta and goes to this part which is called rectum. And after through our anus, it comes out. This was the full process of digestive system. Thank you.
ये क्या बना?
Sir, it's model of Earth with a satellite.
Model of Earth with satellite. Will it work? Can you tell something? What is this? मुझे बताइए, ये तो बिल्कुल हमारे लिए नया दिख रहा है. क्या है ये? बताइए मुझे.
Sir, I am co-partner.
Okay, who is that? अच्छा, आपने बनाया? Okay, बताइए इसके बारे में थोड़ा. क्या है ये?
Satellite, it is model. Satellite goes around the Earth. How does satellite goes around it? I have made this with the help of cardboard particle and one box. Now in this project I will tell you why satellite is important. Satellite is important because without satellite we can't use our Wi-Fi if there is satellite we can use internet, and from the internet we can use mobile phones, television, etc. And we can, it can move around its axis like this.
Good. Very good.
But it's connected with wire.
Okay.
Thank you.
Pass back.
It is my project. Its name is nuclear power plant. So, do you know how the functioning of nuclear power plant takes place? Let me tell you. The nuclear power plant uses two radioactive elements, uranium and thorium element, in the nuclear reactor. This process produces a lot of heat, so the steam travels from the nuclear reactor to the boiler. Also, the water gets cooled down in the cooling tower, and the condenser also reaches the boiler. Then they get boiled together in the boiler, and then they get converted into steam. They are passed to the turbine of a grate to help the grate of a turbine to produce electricity, as you can see in this model.
Carbon purification is a method is a granular activated carbon filtration. GAC is a method to purify liquid or gas whereby molecules of solute, liquid and gas are separates in the surface of solid or liquid. My name is Aravi Upadhyay from Standard 5th, the student of Dietitian Academy. This is our group project which is made by me and my partner Vanshika, and she will explain about the project. Hello everyone, myself Vanshika, student of Standard 5th, and this is my project of a volcano. A volcano is the most powerful and awe-inspiring natural wonders of our planet. Imagine standing at the foot of a towering volcano, feeling the ground tremble beneath your feet, and witnessing the raw fury of molten lava and ash erupting into the sky. Now, what is a volcano? A volcano is a landform that occurs when magma from the Earth's interior rises to the surface, resulting in eruptions of rock, gas, and ash. Volcanoes are the reminder of the incredible forces that shape our planet. They inspire us to respect, appreciate, and understand the natural world. Thank you for joining me on the tour of volcanoes. Thank you.
नमस्ते मेरे आदरणीय अध्यापक अध्यापिका और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मेरा नाम प्रिया है। मैं कक्षा 4 की छात्रा हूँ और आज मैं आप सभी को मेरी हिंदी परियोजना, जो मेरी मिस रितु मैम और हिंदी की शिक्षिका और वो हमारी वर्ग अध्यापिका भी हैं, उन्होंने मुझे दिया है। तो मेरे परियोजना का नाम है विराम चिन्ह। हम अपने वाक्यों में जब हम कोई वाक्य लिखते हैं तो हम उनमें कोई ना कोई चिन्ह का उपयोग अवश्य करते हैं, पर हमें वो चिन्ह के नहीं पता है ना। तो आइए इस सत्र के द्वारा मैं आपको चिन्हों के नाम बता देती हूँ। पहला है अर्ध विराम चिन्ह। इस चिन्ह का उपयोग हम तब करते हैं जब वाक्य में हमें थोड़ी देर के लिए रुकना है। उसके बाद है प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह। इस चिन्ह का उपयोग हम तब करते हैं जब हमें किसी वाक्य में प्रश्न पूछना हो। उसके बाद है अर्ध विराम चिन्ह। इस चिन्ह का उपयोग हम तब करते हैं जब हमें थोड़े ज्यादा समय के लिए रुकना हो वाक्य में। पूर्ण विराम चिन्ह। इस चिन्ह का उपयोग हम तब करते हैं जब हमें कोई वाक्य को खत्म करना हो। उसके बाद है उप विराम चिन्ह। उप विराम चिन्ह का उपयोग तब करते हैं जब किसी शब्द के दो कणों को जोड़ना हो। उसके बाद है विस्मय बोधक चिन्ह। इस चिन्ह का उपयोग हम तब करते हैं जब किसी वाक्य में हमें अपने भाव को स्पष्ट करना हो। उसके बाद है उदाहरण चिन्ह। इस चिन्ह का उपयोग हम तब करते हैं जब हमें किसी के बारे में बताना हो। और उसके बाद है योजक चिन्ह। इस चिन्ह का उपयोग हम तब करते हैं जब किसी वाक्य में और ना लगा के इस चिन्ह का उपयोग करते हैं। विवरण चिन्ह। इस चिन्ह का मतलब हुआ जब भी हम कहीं बाहर जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे अवश्य लिखा रहता है निम्नलिखित बातों का ध्यान रखें। तो ध्यान रखने के बाद आप इस चिन्ह को जरूर देखते होंगे। मैंने स्वामी विवेकानंद के ऊपर कुछ लाइन याद की है।
अच्छा, ये सुनाइए उसको।
Good morning to all of you. My name is Devika. I am going to tell about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a great man of India. He was born on 12 January 1863. His father was the founder of Ramakrishna Mutt. His childhood name was Narendra Dutt. He gave a famous Thank you. अनमोल।
अच्छा, क्या बनाई हो?
सोलर सिस्टम।
अच्छा, ये तो कोरोना लेके चली आई हो तो लॉकडाउन फिर से लगवाना है क्या?
नो
नहीं, हम लोग थोड़ा एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए बोले हैं। ये सन है, देखो घुसो मत उसको, कोरोना के घींच के लमरा देगा, भीगेगा तो चल जाएगा फिर चाइना में। नहीं, अच्छा बोलिए इसके बारे में सुनने के लिए। बोलिए।
That is called fireball. It is the nearest star to the Earth. Next comes Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun and smallest planet. Next, Venus. Venus is the second to the Sun and hottest planet. Next, Earth. As we know that Earth is the only planet that have life. Earth's natural satellite is Moon. Next, Mars. Mars is a red planet and fourth.
बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं।
Fourth. Now, it is the fourth planet, and as we know, Mars have volcanoes, largest volcanoes in our solar system. Next, after asteroids comes Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet and made of gas. Next, Saturn. Saturn have rings. It has 6 parts of rings. Next, Uranus. Uranus is in light blue in color. It has also rings, but we can't see it. Next, Neptune. Neptune is the dark planet and farthest to the sun. Now a star. Stars are 3 types. Some are bigger than sun and some are smaller than sun. There are 3 types of stars: red dwarf star, yellow dwarf star, and blue dwarf star. Red dwarf stars are smaller than sun, and yellow dwarf stars are between the sun, and blue dwarf stars are larger than sun. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा। इतना
What you want to tell about this?
Sir, the lungs inflate when we breathe in, and the lungs deflate when we breathe out. In lungs, blood takes in oxygen and carbon dioxide. That
Yes, thank you very much. Any other person wants to tell me something? Yes? This is working? It's lightning. That is good model. Tell me about it. You have already told about Chandrayaan. Now what do you want to? Nothing. This. It. And what is this? This is syringe. What is interference? That if you put pressure, it uplifts. Okay.
अपनी वफा की कहानी लिखी।
हट जा।